i35equipment.com. This is a 2013 Bobcat T650 tracked compact loader skid steer. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Just give us a call to get on the calendar. Happy to have you out. We just want to make sure we have the gate unlocked for you. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so get this machine shipped to you shouldn't be an issue. Fill out the form on website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share your address, several local haulers, and a nationwide broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine is loaded with features. It does have the high flow auxiliary hydraulics, dual travel speeds, hydraulic quick attach, inside you have the joysticks with the switchable control patterns, so no matter who's operating it, they can feel right at home with the pattern control of their choice. Good reach for loading trucks. We do have other buckets, grapples, and attachments available. You can see our full inventory of all that and the equipment online at i35equipment.com. This machine is equipped with air conditioning from the factory. However, the owner states it's going to need a couple parts to get it going again. It's blowing in there right now, just not blowing cold. We do have several local mechanics that we can get you with if you decide you'd like to have them check it out for you. Like I said, you can bring your own mechanic and check it out. We're going to go ahead and check out the undercarriage, the motor, and then we'll walk up in the operator station. Look around out there as well. Working front and rear work lights. This is that Kubota diesel. No DEF required. Machine, 2013 year model. Right there. Good glass. Backs are good. This is a matching 2013 Bobcat bucket. It has 8 replaceable, removable, interchangeable teeth. You'll see they've welded some hooks on here for hooking up some chains to move stuff around with. Front working work lights. There's your high flow and standard flow hydraulics, on hydraulics. Behind the seat here is both your operator's handbook, and back in here in this little area behind the seat is a brand new operator's manual. Here's your HVAC control. So like I said, it's going to have a little work to get that going again, according to the owner. Go ahead and turn the parking brake on. You see right now, there's only 2 lights on. Here, one of these are error lights. There's a telling you it's in park and that the hydraulics are locked. We'll turn those off in a minute and operate just so you see that that's working. Currently sitting at 40-20 hours. Here's all your user interface. This is your ignition because it does use a code. Ignition, switchable control patterns. This is your Bob-tach, as they call it. It's your hydraulic quick attach system. It does have your hand throttle as well as a foot pedal down below for a foot throttle. Jensen Bobcat heavy duty working radio. I hit it too fast. You're afraid. Working radio. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Oh, I did tell you I was going to we're going to turn these work lights off, so don't forget to leave them on. So to get these red lights off and to operate, what you're doing first is turn the parking brake off and pushing this green button to operate. I have it in ISO, so this is going to control bucket up and down and curl. And then this is going to be your tracks, back, reverse, left, right, all that. Give us a shout if you have any questions. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.